Hey world, we are coming to you live from our home because we can't leave it.
Quarantine day 3.
So, with everything happening out in the world right now, we have been getting a lot of questions about what is telehealth physical therapy and how can it help me?
Right. So if you have questions about this, feel free to reach out to us on social media or watch the video. Stay tuned. I hope it helps answer anything, and we're always here for you.
Okay, stay safe, everyone.
Thanks. So Amber, why did we start this whole functional movement therapy, telehealth, physical therapy, and wellness business?
Good question, Nick, although very long. So we have been traveling physical therapists for the past 3 years, and one of the biggest problems that we notice with healthcare is patient access.
Right.
So many people live way too far away from a hospital. They can't get good healthcare. So if you have a stable internet connection, that's all we need.
Right. The other big barrier to quality healthcare is cost. Always is, always will be. So with this telehealth medicine, you're coming directly to the source. You're getting your specialist without the copay, without a doctor's prescription, and without that time lost from work and or family.
Yeah, and you are also getting a one-on-one private session with us. When you go to other outpatient clinics, a lot of times you're not being the only one seen. I mean, they're seeing several different patients, so it's private, it's one-on-one, and it is all for you.
And it's only doctors of physical therapy working with you. So you're also going to determine when you are discharged. How good is good enough for you? Most of the time in normal outpatient care, we get people to about 85 to 95% of their normal.
Before we have to cut them off because insurance
Right.
has that call.
It's like the good enough. But here, good enough is not good enough because good enough got you hurt. Unfortunately, that's just true. We want you 110, 120% better. That's our goal.
So how can I get started?
All right, you need a few things. First, you need a stable internet connection, like we mentioned, okay? We're going to ask you to download a free application for Zoom, which is where we do all of our secure video treatment sessions. That's number 2.
We're still in compliance with HIPAA, even though it is on a video chat.
Right, that's very important. Number 3 is you need to be living and currently in one of 4 states that we have licenses in, which is California, Washington State, Texas, and New York State.
Even if you are not in one of those states and you still would like to try telehealth, we do belong to a network of providers all over the country, so please reach out and we could always connect you with someone.
Absolutely. Finally, you cannot have Medicare or Medicaid as your primary insurance provider currently.
Yeah, laws may be changing soon with the pandemic, but
We're going to hope for the best and so we can
Currently.
treat more of you, again, quicker. So Amber, how do I pay for telehealth treatments?
so we are a direct access, direct payment business, so you do not need any authorization from your doctor or your insurance company, so they don't dictate any of that. You just come straight to us.
No hoops to jump through.
No hoops, nothing's hidden. And then we actually give you a super bill that you will submit to your insurance company for possible reimbursement.
And how do I know if my insurance company will reimburse for telehealth medicine?
So basically, I mean, you can just call the number on the back and tell them you're interested in participating, and they will let you know either way.
Pretty simple, right? Straightforward.
Yeah.
All the costs are up front, right? And you know exactly what you're going to get. You're going to get one-on-one treatment from a doctor of physical therapy, your evaluation, your plan of care, continued exercises and prescribed activities, and actually printouts of those along the way. We'll email you the activities with directions and times of day and all that. So constant email communication in between your sessions to make sure that you understand what's going on and know how to progress yourself.
We would love for you to choose us as your family's physical therapist. Reach out with any questions or injuries you have, big or small.
Right. Remember, telehealth medicine is here. It's the wave of the future. And it really is medicine on your schedule, on your time, and at your convenience from the comfort of your own home. Without somebody else, some insurance provider or anybody else, dictating how good you get from physical therapy care.
Yeah, I agree, Nick. That's huge. So please throw us a like, comment below, visit us at the website, functionalmovementtherapy.com.
Right?
Yeah, hope to see you soon.
Take care. Stay safe.